Hey guys, today I'm doing a review on a popular ebook, Bruxism Help Program. I know what it's like to wake up with a sore jaw and sensitive teeth. Well, let me tell you, this book really helped. I tried everything from pain medications to mouth guards, but it wasn't until I discovered this awesome ebook that I finally found lasting relief for my TMJ. Let's look over the little sales page to see what other people were saying about it. Here's a review right here. This doctor from Austin, Texas is referring this ebook to all of their patients. Um, this is just in general a really good book. I definitely recommend it. I was looking everywhere and I couldn't find any way to get rid of my bruxism until I found this book. This is really, really worth the money. I definitely recommend you pick it up. Um, just scroll through here. It also it comes with a few extras as well. If I can scroll down here and find them, it comes with one, two, three extra ebooks. One, the complete handbook of nature's cures. Two, be your own doctor. And three, lessons from miracle doctors. I haven't had a chance to read these books, but I definitely have that on my to-do list, and I may or may not post a video um, about it. But it's really not that bad. 4 ebooks for $47, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. Definitely recommend you get this book. It's a really good deal. I was constantly having to go through mouth guards. Like, I would have to get one like once a week or so because I would just bite holes right through those things. And this book right here, it has a lot of good techniques to keep from grinding your teeth, especially at night. I was never really bad about grinding my teeth during the daytime. It was at night that you know I was always getting complaints about how I grind my teeth when I sleep. And ever since I read this book, I have not been grinding my teeth at all in my sleep. So definitely recommend getting this book. There's a link in the description. Definitely, you know, uh, check that out. Just click on the link in the description. It'll take you to this page, and right here you can go ahead and order that ebook. Definitely recommend you do that. Hope you get the ebook. Anyway, this was my review for Bruxism Help Program. Uh, Thank you.